Hey everybody, just going to post a quick video about how to put your Ram 2500 6.7 liter Cummins into high idle as we're approaching fall. Now approaching fall or in fall and approaching the winter time, it's going to be good to have a little bit of knowledge on how to do that. I just figured it out for myself, so I thought I would just put a quick video on here. So you're going to want to start your vehicle, let it cycle through. Okay, and when you do that, you're going to want to push your e-brake in. You're going to come to the steering wheel, you're going to turn on your cruise control and then hit set. And then you'll notice the RPMs climbing there. And if you want to raise it a little bit higher, sorry for the focusing issue here, then you just go back to your cruise control setting and you can raise the RPMs from your cruise control setting, plus and minus, higher or lower. I usually just set it to where it sets off at about 1100 and go from there. To release that, you can either turn it off from here, from your on and off switch, or hit your brake. Just push your brake and it'll kick it out of high idle. Quick little tip. I hope it was a help. Thanks a bunch.